While most investors are still chasing yesterday's AI winners, a quiet revolution is exploding in the shadows. 3 under-the-radar stocks positioned to deliver explosive gains as Wall Street finally catches on. AI data centers hungry for power, connectivity, and hardware at a scale the world has never seen. One company just shattered records with 684% revenue growth in a single quarter, turning massive losses into huge profits while locking in gigawatts of power and billion-dollar deals. Another is the hidden backbone making lightning-fast AI data movement possible without melting the planet's energy grid. And the third? A manufacturing powerhouse quietly scaling AI server production to unprecedented levels, raising full-year guidance dramatically. These aren't hype stocks, they're delivering real results right now. If you miss this window, you'll watch from the sidelines as the next wave of AI millionaires is made. Urgency is real. The AI infrastructure boom is accelerating faster than anyone predicted. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why these could be your tickets to life-changing returns. Let's dive in before the herd wakes up. Nebius, NBIS, the AI cloud rocket ship scaling at warp speed. Nebius Group is no longer the quiet Yandex spin-off. It's emerging as a powerhouse AI cloud provider building full-stack infrastructure with massive GPU clusters for training and deploying AI at hyperscale. In Q1 FY26 ended March 31, 2026, the company delivered jaw-dropping results that crushed expectations and sent shares surging. Revenue exploded to $399 million, up 684% year-over-year and 75% quarter-over-quarter, with Nebius AI revenue hitting $390 million, up 841% YOY. They swung to a strong adjusted EBITDA of $129.5 million, 32% margin from losses, and posted net income of $621.2 million, aided by investment revaluations but backed by operational strength. Operating cash flow turned massively positive at $2.26 billion. The momentum is relentless. Annualized run rate revenue reached $1.92 billion, up 54% QoQ. Management raised guidance aggressively. Full year 2026 revenue of $3.0 to $3.4 billion. Annualized run rate targeting $7 to $9 billion by year-end, and contracted power capacity to over 4 gigawatts, with 3.5 gigawatts already secured. CapEx guidance jumped to $20 to $25 billion to fuel growth, supported by strong liquidity, around $9.3 billion in cash, and major funding, including Nvidia ties. Key catalysts include a massive U.S. expansion with up to 1.2 gigawatts secured for a new Pennsylvania AI factory/megasite, huge deals, including with Meta, and priority access to advanced Nvidia chips like Blackwell/Rubin amid shortages. Analysts have been racing to raise price targets, some into the $250 to $287 range after the beat. This is a company executing at hypergrowth pace in the hottest sector on Earth, positioned to 5x plus revenue while building durable competitive moats. The window to get in before broader recognition is closing fast. Credo Technology, CRDO, the unsung hero powering AI connectivity at scale. While the spotlight often hits the chips or the clouds, nothing moves in modern AI clusters without ultra-high-speed, energy-efficient connectivity. And that's where Credo dominates. This innovator delivers high-speed Ethernet, optical, and PCIe solutions tailored for the explosive demands of AI infrastructure, hyperscale data centers, and next-gen networks. Recent quarters show powerful growth fueled by AI adoption. In Q3 FY26, revenue hit around $404 to $408 million, well above guidance, with strong EPS beats, e.g. $1.07 versus estimates. The company is on track for over 200% YOY revenue growth for the full fiscal year, with sequential mid-single-digit growth into FY27. New products like the Robin 800G optical DSP family, 800G/1.6T solutions, and zero-flap optical transceivers are winning traction for solving real AI pain points like link flaps, power efficiency, and scalability in massive clusters. The Dust Photonics acquisition boosts vertical integration and optical capabilities. Credo is expanding its portfolio at events like OFC and TSMC Symposia, directly addressing the AI connectivity bottleneck. With hyperscalers ramping AI training and inference, demand for Credo's low-power, high-bandwidth solutions is surging. Shares have delivered massive multi-100% gains over the past year, yet forward momentum remains strong as AI build-out intensifies. This is a high-conviction play on the picks and shovels of the AI revolution that Wall Street is still undervaluing relative to its growth trajectory. Celestica, CLS, the AI hardware manufacturing machine raising the bar. Celestica is the stealthy enabler, providing end-to-end design, manufacturing, supply chain, and hardware platform solutions that hyperscalers and OEMs rely on for AI servers, storage, networking switches, and complex electronics. Their connectivity and cloud solutions (CCS) segment is on fire. In Q1 2026, revenue reached $4.05 billion, with adjusted EPS of $2.16, beating expectations. CCS drove massive growth, 76% plus YOY in recent highlights, now dominating the mix thanks to AI demand. Enterprise revenue is surging over 100% in places. Management raised full-year 2026 guidance significantly to $19.0 billion in revenue and $10.15 adjusted EPS from prior lower figures, with strong visibility into 2027 from new program wins and 1.6T programs entering mass production. Partnerships like with AMD on the Helios rack-scale AI platform and launches like DS6000 Series 1.6 TB switches underscore their leadership in high-speed AI infrastructure. Celestica is scaling capacity, including new operations, to meet insatiable demand for AI hardware. The stock has delivered extraordinary multi-year returns but continues to offer upside as AI capex remains robust. This is a proven executor turning AI hype into tangible, profitable scale. The AI infrastructure supercycle isn't slowing, it's accelerating. Nebius is building the clouds of tomorrow, Credo is making the connections that power them efficiently, and Celestica is manufacturing the hardware at volume. These three are delivering results today while most investors are distracted elsewhere. Do your own due diligence, consider your risk tolerance, and size positions wisely. These are volatile growth names, but the storytelling is clear. Early positioning here could be extraordinarily rewarding as Wall Street fully wakes up to their potential. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Which of these three excites you most? Like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss the next hidden opportunity. Let's build wealth in this AI era. I'll see you in the next video.